Miten se pyörivä auto?
Ei mitään vitun pyörivää autoa koskaan ollutkaan. Te vaan perinteiseen tyyliin istuitte littipeukut suussa autossa ja ihailitte Suomen parasta IGL.
Miten me nyt ollaan täällä autossa?
I'm about to skip this shit. Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
I'm the captain, so you can be my first mate, deal? Such names are too outdated for you, huh? We'll call each other whatever you wish then.
Whatever you want, mama.
Ah, mighty fine smokable.
Fancy cigar? Why don't you smoke it already? Puff, puff, go, 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 go!
Nah, you can't blow the smoke from such a majestic stogie in just anyone's face. I'm saving it for the fancy pantses at Zap Brannigan's black tie reception.
Aryans are more closely related to our elephants than our spiders.